What is a motion to suppress? I'm Michael DelSignore, Massachusetts criminal defense lawyer. Today I want to talk about why a motion to suppress is critical in a Massachusetts drug case. Well, in a drug case, typically the issue is going to be whether you possessed a certain amount of drugs, whether cocaine, heroin, fentanyl, marijuana, and often when the police discover it, it might be on you or it might be close to you. So in some of these cases, really the whole trial is the motion to suppress evidence. That's the same if it's a gun case. If the gun's found on you, if we don't suppress the evidence, there's generally very few defenses to that type of case. So the motion to suppress it means that we're saying your constitutional rights were violated, meaning that the police didn't have a right to search your person, they didn't have a right to stop your car, they didn't have a right to search your house. And they need, and what they need in each of those situations varies. For example, in a car stop, they need reasonable suspicion to stop your car. However, they don't have a right to order you out of the car unless they have additional reasonable suspicion to believe either A, you're committing a crime, or B, that their safety justifies ordering you from the car. In some of these cases, they're going to say there was some furtive movement. They'll say, well, basically, we were concerned for our safety. That can be contested at a hearing. It's very subjective about whether the officers have a right to allow someone out of the car. It's very fact-dependent. Why are they saying there's a furtive movement? Is it just because it's a high crime area, or was there something in the car? Did you do something concrete to give them that suspicion? So in Massachusetts, we have what's known as the Declaration of Rights. That's our state constitution. That gives us more rights than we would have if we were in any other state or in federal court. In any other state or federal court, a police officer can automatically order somebody out of the car without any additional basis. So Massachusetts, our Declaration of Rights gives our citizens more protections than they would elsewhere. The U.S. Supreme Court's always narrowing constitutional rights. Our court has generally upheld and given meat to those constitutional rights. So another issue that comes up in a drug case is sometimes there'll be what they call a controlled buy. So the police are going to have somebody buy drugs from you, and then they're going to, at a later time, go to your house with a warrant to search the house. That can be challenged. Did the informant was there a basis of knowledge for the affidavit? Was this informant reliable? So those are the type of issues that come up in drug cases and sometimes even in gun cases when there's alleged gun possession. So motion to suppress, chance to eliminate the evidence in your case based on a constitutional violation. If you're charged with a Massachusetts criminal offense, gun, drug charges typically involve issues involving the Fourth Amendment. Feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to explain your constitutional rights to you. My name is Michael DelSignore, Massachusetts criminal defense lawyer.